At first, deepfakes were funny face swaps, memes, harmless internet jokes. But today, the technology behind deepfakes has evolved so fast, so powerfully, that it's starting to blur the line between reality and fiction in ways we're barely prepared for. In this video, we'll break down how deepfake technology works, why it's advancing faster than expected, and what it means for the future of truth, trust, and security. 1. What are deepfakes? At its core, a deepfake is a synthetic media technique where artificial intelligence creates hyper-realistic fake images, videos, or audio. It works by using two main technologies. Powerful neural networks are trained on thousands, even millions of images or voice recordings. Two AIs battle each other. One tries to create a fake, the other tries to spot it. This back-and-forth competition makes deepfakes more realistic over time. The result? Videos and audio so convincing that even experts can struggle to tell real from fake. 2. How deepfakes became so good so fast. A few years ago, creating a passable deepfake took specialized hardware, vast datasets, and technical expertise. Now, thanks to rapid AI development, nearly anyone with a decent laptop can create shockingly realistic deepfakes using easy-to-find software. What accelerated the deepfake explosion? Libraries like Deepfake and FaceSwap made it easier for hobbyists to jump in. More powerful generative models can create ultra-high-resolution faces with minute details. On-demand cloud servers let anyone train large models without owning expensive GPUs. Massive publicly available image and video datasets feed the training process, improving results even faster. The barriers to entry have collapsed, and the quality has skyrocketed. 3. The real-world threats of deepfakes. Deepfakes aren't just internet novelties anymore. They present real risks. Deepfakes could be used to fabricate politicians confessing to crimes, CEOs making controversial statements, or even military leaders declaring war. Criminals have already used AI-generated voices to impersonate company executives and trick employees into transferring millions of dollars. A convincing fake video could ruin someone's life personally or professionally before the truth even catches up. Passwords and encryption may protect your data, but how do you protect your identity when your own face and voice can be faked? As the technology improves, the potential for large-scale harm grows exponentially. 4. Deepfake detection, a race against time. To combat the spread of malicious deepfakes, researchers are racing to develop detection tools. But it's a constant game of cat and mouse. Detection methods include looking for digital fingerprints left by AI models, eye movements, blinking patterns, and skin textures that AI often gets wrong. New detection AIs trained to spot artifacts too subtle for the human eye. Embedding invisible watermarks during content creation that prove authenticity. The problem? As soon as detectors catch up, deepfake creators find new ways to fool them. It's an endless arms race, and right now, the fakers are often one step ahead. 5. Who's using deepfakes today? Deepfakes are popping up everywhere. Studios use deepfakes to de-age actors or resurrect stars who have passed away. Brands create virtual influencers who don't exist in real life but generate millions of followers. State actors use deepfakes for disinformation campaigns to influence elections and public opinion. Viral deepfakes can spread faster than fact-checkers can respond. While some users are creative and even positive, the darker side is growing harder to control. 6. What can be done about it? So, how do we stop deepfakes from wrecking reality? Teaching people to be skeptical of what they see and hear online. Governments are starting to pass laws criminalizing malicious deepfake use, but enforcement remains tricky. Tech companies are working on protocols to certify authentic content, like the Content Authenticity Initiative. Investing in better detection, authentication, and alert systems. Deepfake technology isn't going away. In fact, it's getting better faster than most of us realize. We're entering a world where seeing is no longer believing, and hearing isn't proof. Where identities, reputations, even nations could be manipulated with a few lines of code and a convincing video. Staying informed, skeptical, and prepared is no longer optional, it's essential. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay aware because the future will look real even when it's not.